Hey everybody, this is just a short video I'm going to do about this new brace I've gotten. It's called an unloader brace, or some of you might have heard it as an offloader brace. This one is made by Ossur. It's a Canadian company out of Vancouver. I came in possession of this through my surgeon's office because what's happened with me is the medial side of my meniscus there's very little left, and I get a lot of pain there. Lateral side, no problem, still a lot there. So what this is going to do is take my leg and move it so that it'll gap the medial side and give me some comfort. And I've tried this on several decent walks, and it makes a huge difference. I wore it for 5 hours at work, where I'm standing on hard cement floors for 5 hours doing sales, and by the end of the day, the difference comparable to when I'd never wore one before was unbelievable. I went home and I was not in any sort of discomfort at all. I've tried running on the treadmill with it, with some degree of discomfort, but not so bad. I'm still tinkering with the adjustments, which I'll show you in a moment, and I still haven't given up on that, but that I have this to be able to walk long distances and hikes, etc., is going to make a huge difference to me in lifestyle. So, putting this on, you will see that on the sides here we have clips. There's a blue and a yellow, so they're color coordinated. Pretty hard to get them mixed up. Here's your blue, here's your yellow. So you put this thing on, and what they say to do is to have the Ossur label here lined up to basically the top of your kneecap. So right in this area here. Once you line it up, you're going to move the clips around, blue on blue. We move the clip in place. Snaps in. Then you turn this buckle and snap it down. Now the same at the top. You're going to bring the yellow toggle around with the yellow toggle here. Fits in nice, and then you move this around to snap in place. The brace is now in place, and where the magic happens here is these BOA adjustments, a top and a bottom. And if you look closely here, there is a blue dial that comes in here on both sides. That blue dial goes from 0 to 10. Now, depending on your degree of difficulty or your meniscus problems, I like to go for a walk, and I put mine at about number 4 when I went for a walk, and it was fabulous. I'm wearing these right now over top of a compression pants, Stoico compression pants. They say that if you wear this over top of anything, the brace, over top of anything, it's got to be a compression pant. It's got to be tight because you don't want the brace to move. You wear this over top of a pair of track pants. The track pants obviously are going to be moving, and the brace moves as well. There's no benefit involved. So, over top of a nice tight pair of compression pants, yes, or they make sleeves. They make sleeves for these braces. If you're getting some sort of chafing, you can wear this compression sleeve. Otherwise, you basically wear it right on your skin. This will be ideal in the summer when you're wearing shorts. So, again, the dials, like I said, I can dial these up. When I was on the treadmill, I had them cranked up pretty high. But again, I'm not giving up on that, but the fact that I can go for a walk now, and this gives me fabulous support, and it offloads that medial side of my meniscus. Taking that off, these dials, make sure you turn them right off. Turn the dials right off, back to 0. Give them a little tug here just to make sure they have loosened off and slacked off. Once you've done that, releasing the snaps, opening it up, and taking it off. It's as simple as that. If you don't release the BOAs before you take it off, they'll be engaged, and bringing this around to clip the next time you put it on will be almost impossible, and then you've got to do it yourself and start to bring it apart. That's it in a nutshell, and I hope that's helpful. I like the product. Is it something that, my question was, when I use this, will I be able to run again? And the answer was basically yes. We have had people run on them, but it depends on the severity of your meniscus problem. If you have no cartilage and you're bone on bone, I'm going to say, and I'm not a doctor by any means, I'm going to say you're not going to be able to run on it. Will you be able to walk on it? Yes, absolutely. But if you just have a little bit of meniscus degeneration, I think you can get back to running on this. And I might do a further video when I try running on it outside this spring, and we'll see what happens. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon, everybody.